Arithmetic progression. Progression means a particular sequence in any particular. Arithmetic means we are always getting the same difference, constant difference. So its definition is, he said, a sequence in which difference of any term, take any term and subtract its preceding term, you will get always a constant. Like if we have suppose take any term, we are taking this term, its preceding term and subtract, you will get 2. Any other term, subtract its preceding term, previous term, so you will get 2. So difference always remains constant, then you will get what? AP. General AP is, we are taking, let first term is A and this difference which is always constant is known as common difference is D. Then your general AP will be A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on up to n terms. That is, difference is always D dt. So we need to add D, right? Then what could be its nth term, that is general term? How to write its general term, that is Tn. See, this is first term, this is second term, this is third term, this is fourth term. If you observe each and every term, A will be there in all. So A will be here in nth term plus. D is 3 times here in fourth term. In third term it is 2 times. In second term it is 1 time. Means always 1 less than the multiplication of this, like nth term 4, 1 less than this 3. So if we are finding nth term, then it will be n minus 1, 1 less than multiply by D. That is what is your general term formula. As this concept we discussed in class 10 also. So if any AP is given, you can find the particular term, like we have 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. He said find its 7th term. Question is to find 7th term. So T7 according to general term formula will be A plus 6D, and A here is first term, that is 2, 6D, D means common difference here will be 3, so we got it 20. That its 7th term will be 20 in this sequence. Now we have properties of AP. In the properties we have, if any AP is given and we are adding, subtracting, multiplying or dividing the same number in each and every term, the resultant will always be AP only. Like suppose 2, 5, 8, 11, this is the AP, and we are adding 2 to all the terms, adding 2, then it will be 4, 7, 10, 13. Now you see again the difference is same, that means again it is in AP only. Suppose we are multiplying by 2, then this will be 4, this will be 10, 16, 22. Now you see difference is changed. Difference here was 3, difference, but still difference is constant. So this is also what? This is also AP. That is with a common difference of 6, 6, but still it is AP. So the property is you are adding, multiplying, subtracting or dividing any constant number to the whole sequence, the result will always be AP. Just note it down.